wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding knives. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you don't want to announce to the world that you're carrying a blade, the Ontario Rat 2 is a discreet selection that slips easily into a pocket with minimal bulging. If you're worried it might get lost, it's got a loop on the end for attaching to a lanyard. It's equipped with a reversible clip and is affordable yet tough, though the edge needs frequent sharpening. At number 9, the last thing you want when you're messing with a sharp object is a slippery handle, and the grip on the Gerber gator is textured to ensure it stays put while you're using it. It's well balanced, so it's comfortable to manipulate during delicate work. It holds its edge well and is a good choice for anglers, but it is difficult to open one-handed. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the crkt Squid has a stainless steel blade with a black stonewashed finish that highlights the grinding pattern and also hides small scratches. While it is very affordable, it may be too compact to handle tasks like battening wood. It's equipped with a very resilient tip and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. However, it's not exactly quick to open. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding knives, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the cold steel Crawford model has the feel of a fixed blade with a profile that blends elements of a Bowie and a Tanto. This makes it suitable for both precision and brute force work. It comes with a durable nylon handle and a backup safety mechanism, but the flipper is a bit stiff. Moving up our list to number 6. You'll be surprised by the versatility of the Spyderco military model, especially considering it's extremely lightweight. It's ideal for everyday carrying, but can more than hold its own when field dressing or at a campsite. It's easy to resharpen and equipped with an ambidextrous thumb hole and a sturdy lock mechanism. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Kershaw S30V Blur is ideal if you need something sharp in a hurry. The Speed Assist torsion bar ensures it extends in a flash, and the large clip won't bend too easily if it catches on a fence or branch. This one's great at slicing through zip ties, and features a rugged stone-washed blade and a textured thumb stud. At number 4, the serrated teeth on the benchmade mini griptilian make it as suitable for sawing as it is for slicing, so campers will want to keep it close by when building a fire or cleaning a fish. Its steel construction balances toughness and corrosion resistance nicely. It's offered in a coated or satin finish and is an ambidextrous model with a glass fiber reinforced handle. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. When you picture a folding knife, the Buckknives 110 is probably the image that pops into your head first. It's got a classic ebony handle with a nail notch in the blade, so you can get it open quickly without having to worry about it springing open in your pocket. It offers a firm locking action and includes a leather pouch. It's a hefty and durable construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding knives, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the crkt M1614D is a heavy-duty option with a sturdy drilled aluminum handle and a stainless steel blade that makes quick work of thick rope and kindling. Its Carson flipper deploys the edge rapidly and doubles as a finger guard. This one's good for large hands and includes a 4-position clip and a 2-stage locking mechanism. And taking the top spot on our list, the reverse Tanto Benchmade 940 is built with an access lock that uses a thick steel bar to hold the tang securely in place. Along with allowing you to open it with both hands, it also lets you flip the blade open by pulling on the stud and flicking your wrist. It offers excellent edge retention, lightweight scales, and a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding knives, or simply click beneath this video.